This has been one of the hardest weeks in sewing for me. I tried using a simplicity pattern. I tried making my own pattern. Then I gave up and just started making something completely different. I wanted to make Simplicity's S92-93 slip and petticoat pattern by Gertie, but after the bust curve wouldn't fit me, I just had to make something else. This time, I wanted to make it with cups instead of princess seams. The cups were too small for me, even though I thought I did my bust radius right. I guess not. I didn't film anything from actually making this first mock-up. I just wanted to test it first. Then I went on to just making the elastic waist petticoat from S92-93. I didn't have wide enough fabric to easily cut several layers at once, so I winged it. I got down to attaching the lace to the bottom of the petticoat when I realized I would not have enough lace with my changes. I really wanted to make the black petticoat first. So this time I reached into my stash, found leftover white chiffon, and only used the yoke pattern piece and cut a lot of strips of tulle. This week's video is short since I hated every moment of working on this project, and I couldn't be more disappointed in how this week went. I do have a pretty little white petticoat, but it's still not finished. I need to add one more tier to it and then hopefully find an affordable white lace to finish the ends, but that's for later on down the road, off camera. I really can't do a good reveal of this because it is so revealing, but I hope you enjoy this look at my new and only petticoat disaster of a project.